Welcome Tech Lovers, Ibrar here. In today's video, I am going to deploy a Grafana monitoring agent like Node Exporter and cAdvisor using Docker Compose. It is going to be very simple, step by step, whether you are beginners or expert. This guide will be quick, clean, and ready for use. DevOps Engineers channel is dedicated to DevOps and AI in easy way. You always found complexity and simplicity here. Each video guide is available in videos description. Here will be only action as channel name is DevOps Engineers. So let's jump to the lab without any delay. On my channel you can find out the GitHub link. Just open it and go on the repository and open the stack. And here we already covered the Grafana server in my previous video. If you not watched that video, watch that one first and select the Grafana client from here. And on your agent node which you want to monitor, there Docker must be installed and Docker Compose must be installed. So let's connect my agent server. Let's check Docker and Docker version. You can see here Docker installed. I already installed Docker and Docker Compose. So here we are going to set up Node Exporter for the Linux monitoring, cAdvisor for Docker container monitoring. Right? Simply here you need to just pull and go inside the container, and after that compose of -d. Once you compose of -d, it is going to pull cAdvisor and Node Exporter image from its repo. Once it's done, then we can see the compose ps. You can see here the services is running fine, right? So let's check these Node Exporter and cAdvisor from here. So my server IP is 192.168.1.210. So matrix is coming, and next we need to check that is cAdvisor. Oops. So both are running fine, right? So let's do the next step. Now we need to configure in our Prometheus that this need to be monitored, right? In my previous video I already showed you where it is on the Grafana server. Here you can see. Let's open both one by one. We already configured it on the server, on another server. So let's connect that one also. Let's open the terminal, and I'm working with root mode, and here you can see cd project Grafana server, right? So let's configure this file. Actually we need to add a scrape config in Prometheus config file. So let's open the nano and config, and after that prometheus.yml. Here just do paste here. Okay, here just enter and paste here, and make sure do not forget to change your IP address of the server. 210. Next here one is the Node Exporter port, second one is the cAdvisor port. It seems good, and put proper name I put docker node because my VM name is docker. So let me show you that one also. Here it is running docker, so I put the name based on the VM name, right? Once it done, go again here. You need to reload config. Let me show you. Before that, in Prometheus there was two config. One is the Grafana, one is the Prometheus. Once I reload it, you can see here new node will be added here. So docker node added here, it's showing unknown. So let's wait for a moment. Okay, it takes some time, no problem, we can wait. Yes, it seems up right now. Okay, that's good. Now you can check Prometheus target as well. So before that, in Prometheus target, these two endpoint there, but as of now we added docker node as well. So our checking is done. Let's see in the Grafana as well. So open Grafana and go in the dashboard and select the Linux node exporter. Here you can see before that it was only Grafana server. Now it seems docker node as well, and here you can see matrix is coming. And let's see another one. That one is the docker, so let's check that one also. Here we need to select the instance docker node, and here you need to select all, right? You can see, so matrix is coming also here. In the client part, that's it. And you can compose down. If you don't want, then you can do so. Similar, you can add multiple virtual machine in your Grafana server for monitoring purpose, right? That's enough for this part. If you have any question, ask me in comment. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead. See you in the next video.